Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, may buntag sa tanan. And guess what? What I've had. Look, what I have is look right now. Look will be pogi soon. We have to be clean look very well because 2 days ago we didn't clean look because we have a work to do the weekend. So now we have time now for look, guys. Mga MC Morena, hello everyone sa tanan dyan. Happy day, happy Monday, happy Monday. I know it's lazy day, but right now it's a gloomy day again here. Very gloomy but there is a blue sky. Look at guys. And Luke is ready now. Ready to clean, ready to pogi. Diba, Luke? Be good to them, okay? And obey what mommy said. Obey, guys. And hope you're gonna like this video also. And how to clean the robotic vacuum cleaner. This is our vlog for today. And hope you like it. And we have do our best. And Luke will participate also. Participate, will obey what we gonna say to him. And he works so well also. He clean very well, guys. And Goofy, the brand name of this robotic vacuum cleaner. And guys, so this is it. We're gonna start now to clean Luke, guys. See you around and keep smiling. Keep smiling. Be good, guys. Be good. MC Morena, I missed you all. I miss you all. I miss you all. See you. Bye-bye. See you around. Bye, Luke. See them. Luke is ready now. Good morning, guys. Good morning, MC Morena. Good morning, everyone. Maimbuntag sa tanan, sa mga Bisaya, sa mga Mandawi, sa mga telecom, sa kasundingan. Good morning, everyone, and good morning, world. So, karon, I want to show you our cleaner robotic vacuum. So, guys, I would like to present you our cleaner robotic vacuum, and his name is Luke. Welcome, Luke, to my YouTube channel. Luke, stop it. And I forgot the remote. So this is Luke, and he's friendly, very friendly. I see, and he has always follow the rules. If I said stop, he will stop. Luke, come here. Luke, come here. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Stop, Luke. Stop. The Luke is very good baby. A good baby. Look, so we have to clean Luke today because yesterday, the other day, he worked a lot. Ang dami niyang nakuhang buhok-buhok. Mga buhok natin, guys. Kaya kawawa naman si Luke. Kawawa si Luke. Pag hindi siya malinisan, maayos. So, Luke is very friendly and very pogi. Our pogi cleaner vacuum. Pogi Luke, right? Look is very pogi, right? So Luke, show to them that you want to clean our floor. Go there. Don't go to me. Oh, look, wait. Go now. Go to the left. No, come here. Come here, Luke. Come to mommy. Look where you're going. Come here. Come. Stop. So we have to clean now. We have to clean. Look, guys. And, oh, I get dizzy. And, ang kalat ng bahay namin. Kalat kasi kakarating ko lang. I just arrived yesterday for our test to the place of somewhere else. So guys, we have to clean. Look, and I'll just put my phone here so we can do some other things also. And look, I'm here. Come to mommy. And ang ating bigas. Wait guys, I'm coming. Nagluto ako ng kanon. I'm super hungry and I miss rice. And I miss rice. So I'm back guys. Ang pangit natin. Wait guys, I'm back. I'm back. So, look, come here. Look, where are you? Look, where's our remote? No. Guys, where is Luke? Luke, come, mommy. Show to them that you are very good baby or pogi, Luke. Look, stop it. Maglinis na tayo. Ito, kunin mo tong bigas. Look. Clean the floor, please, look. Please. Good job. Look. Go to the left. Come here, back here. Oops. May bigas pa. Kunin mo yung bigas, look. Okay. Come to mommy. Stop now. So, maglinis na tayo. We have to hygiene. Linisan natin si Luke. Guys, luto pala ako ng bigas. Bigas is life. Ang partner sa ating kanon is atay adobo. Yan ang ating lunch today. Masarap pa to guys kasi 2 days na. Diba masarap pag medyo matagal. So what we have to do is we have to prepare the plastic. Dito natin ipasok, ilagay ang mga basura ni Luke. And oh my god, sorry. And some of these things also. Maybe Luke will get messy afterwards. Okay guys, so we have to clean Luke now. Luke, come here. Look. And plastic. So we have to put the garbage here inside this robotic vacuum cleaner. And we have to turn down, look, and this is the part of the robo vacuum. Guys, it's it. So ito lang ang mga parts niya. Ito ang ano na mga buhok. Ito yun guys. This is one to remove the hairs now. And you have to, if you want to remove these brushes, you have to slide and then pull guys. I cannot see right. Wait, ang hirap naman kasi. Ay, sorry. Patay na naman to ang aking cellphone. Patay na naman. Okay. So we need to remove these brushes if you want to remove all the dirt. The dirt. Okay. See, you just pull out. See, look guys, ang daming buhok. Ito ang mga buhok natin. So we have to put here all the dirt. All the dirt. So remove. So look will be pogi and very tidy after clean him. So lots of hair guys. So it's clean na siya ang brush niya. Ito ang nagpapaano ng mga buhok. Dito dumidikit ang mga buhok guys sa brush niya. See? So dalawa tong klaseng dalawang brushes, both sides. So we have to pull out the other one is. So here, done this one. We have to pull so hard. Not so hard guys, ha. Baka masira to ang screw niya. You have to be careful also. And we have to remove all the hair. Buhok. That's it. And 2 brushes for looks done. And we have to remove the filter. This is the filter here guys. So we have to remove this. It's easy. You have to just slowly up. Just do like this only. This is the cover. This is the brush also. Just do these things both sides. Guys, there's no one. If you want to remove the brush, wait guys. Excuse me. Ang abog kasi guys. Tanggalan siya. Just press this both sides. This both side guys. So this is it, and other side. Just pull it up also. So it's easy to remove. It's easy to take out the brushes from Luke here. So lots of hair, millions of hairs of Luke brush. So tanggalin natin. Ito ang mga buhok dito guys. So millions of hair. Oh, it's so dirty. I'm sorry, Luke. I didn't clean you well before I go to work. Sorry. Ang daming buhok guys. And Ayan, pogi na siya. Done. It's clean now. It's clean na siya. Clean. Wala nang buhok. So 3 brushes are done. Clean. Remove the hairs. And guys, and this is the filter box. Dito sumasala ang mga abog-abog guys. Abog-abog. How to remove this one? Just press this white color here, button here, and press down. It means you can take it out now. Look, insert the side up. And there is also a pattern in how you do it, how you clean everything, how to remove the dirt inside of this box. And that's it. Flashing red indicator light, so it will beep if you want to start Look to work. Yeah, that's it. So robotic will emit this result. So guys, this is it. Oh, ito ang box niya. Dito sumasala lahat ng mga dumi-dumi. So how to remove the dirt inside of this box? Just press it again, this white. And that's it. That's it. Ang daming abog, ang daming dumi, guys. So the filter is here. And and we will only brush, or you can wash this one also if you like, but it's too risky because maybe water will get spilled out of this filter box, so it's maybe it will not work again. Oh, it's so risky. But what I do is only brush this filter and remove also the dirt. Oh, see guys. But the thing is, you have to clean every week after the week it's done. So you have to clean this machine, so it looks new. And yeah, pogi, very important. We have to take care of our robotic cleaner vacuum also, right? So I'm going to brush this filter. I will not using any water, guys. I'll be back, or I will use this old I'm going to use our old sponge, this washing sponge. So this is dry, guys. I'm going to throw away this also, so it's practical. You can use it in the other ways of cleaning a filter of look. So guys, this is it. I'm just doing like this, so just to remove all the dust, too much dust inside. That's it. It's easy, guys. And remove the filter if you want. Oh, see? So ang dumi. Oh. Okay, I don't want to remove it. Maybe makakasira ito kay Luke. I'm not. Si Jason Statham na lang ang ano nito. So that's it, guys. So malinis na siya. So malinis na ang filter box ni Luke. So Luke will be ready to work to clean our floor. And I will get some rags. Gutom na ako. So I will get some rags. Here are the rags, guys. Hindi tayo kita. Si Luke lang ang kita. Okay lang yan. So Luke, mommy will clean you. And the filter is clean. Filter box. So again, you have to press this white button here. So if you want to clean the filter box, so it's easy. And I'm using this rags for cleaning everything. You have to be preserved, look clean, very tidy, clean, and you can work very well also, guys. That's very important. And it's open. Be careful. You have to watch the filter also if it's really fit in, so you can close it very tightly and very good, because if something happen, if something disalign, so it will not close the box. Obviously it will not close, guys. So that's it. Malinis na siya. Again, this is the brushes that will hold all the hairs, guys. So natanggal na ang mga buhok. Malinis na siya, and ready to clean the floor. And the other brush, the long brush, ay, may isa pang hair pala. May pang hair. Clean. This is only the parts of look for doing to clean, and the cover of the filter box you have to clean also very well. That's it. This is only the parts that we need to clean after he doing cleaning. But usually you have to clean every week. This look machine, this robotic cleaner vacuum, so it will maintain a clean machine and it can work well. That's it, guys. I hope you're gonna learn. I'm gonna learn, and you're gonna learn some of my of the video today. So you have to clean also the baby part. The baby part. This is the filter box. We're gonna put it back again afterwards. It's clean. So this is The name of this machine, robotic, it's Goofy. It's Goofy. Guys, if you want to know, if you want to buy this, but very expensive also. I don't know if it's it's very it's not it's not so I don't know if it's recommended to everyone, but for me, I can work without the machine, guys. I'm very hard working. But you know na. So how to put it back, all the parts that I removed, that I cleaned. So first is we have to put Luke here again. So Luke cannot see. Look, I'm just holding Luke like this. And first is we have to put the filter box through Luke's body. So press again this white button here, guys. Just press and that's it. See? Na-place na siya. It will place back to his right position, right place, guys, of Luke. Luke! Welcome, Luke, to my YouTube channel, and hello to everyone. Thank you guys, thank you also for subscribing to my YouTube channel and for likes. And hopefully, and hope you can subscribe more, everyone. And likes and watch more of my video. So we have to return also all the brush. So look, it's very clean now, guys. No more hair, looks like new. And we have to return this one. So what I do is, look at, guys, so you have to put this one in both sides, okay? Put this in both sides. Oh my God, di na natin alam anong position natin. And like this. Ang hirap talaga pag wala kasi akong camera holder. Hindi pa tayo pwede makabili kasi wala pa akong pera. Wala pa tayong sahod sa YouTube. Ang layo pa, guys. Ang layo pa sa katotohanan. So we'll just do our best, work hard. So be sure, guys, it will be fit, right? When you have to return the parts of Luke. Yeah, see? Place it in the right way, in the right. Look, guys, andito na siya ang brush niya, yung pinakamalaking brush. And oh my God, takot ako. And we have to return his cover. It's just messy. And just what happened? It's just baliktad pala. Check you. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, if you want to remove this one, just press these two buttons here, guys. So if you can remove it, you can clean very well. That's it. Hello, welcome, Luke. Na-return na natin si brushes na malaki. And the next one is these two small brushes, both sides. So we will just turn it like this, guys, so it can, yeah, it can hold. When you have to return this brush, like how do you say? Just, guys, look at this. Just press it down. Oh wait. Okay. Luke, I'm sorry, Luke. Ang dami mo ng Just look the screw if it's fit in this color blue also. Just make it sure it will fit very well, guys. That's it. Na-return na natin siya. And then the other one is same. It's just push it down, and be sure to be fit siya. Both screw and the blue rubberies. The brush, just press. That's it, it's done. So we have to try now if it's work. If look will be clean, if it can clean well. So we have guys, we have here a dust. Look at this. So we're gonna try. Luke can clean this very well after we did clean him. So like it's only give and take. So we have to clean Luke, and the other is he can clean also to our house, our floor. I'll check my rice first if it's done. Yeah, nalagyan na siya. Ito na lang, gutom na talaga ako. Gutom na ako. So just today, vlog is how to clean the cleaner robotic vacuum. It's Goofy, his name, Goofy brand. So look, be participate, okay, and be good. Where is wait guys, just look, be good to them, okay? Look, so look, mommy will look for something. Where is it? I'm looking for a remote control, guys, for Luke. Look, here I found. So guys, we'll see Luke if it's will work again. Oh, good. Look, come here. Look, come to mommy. Show to them that you are very nice and friendly, and you can clean well also. Look at this, there's a hair. Please clean it. Yes, he made it. Thank you, Luke. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hope we learned it something in a simple way, how to remove or clean this robotic cleaner vacuum. That's for today, and thank you guys for watching for my vlog, and subscribes also. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. God bless. Look, say bye to them. Bye everyone. Be good, be safe. Okay, look, we'll clean. Look, come here.